you're rinsing it, before you rinse, you want to make sure it has no rocks and stuff in there. But sometimes it does, not all the time. So this is perfect. Just add the split pea. The water was almost at a boil. And to the water, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Some people know it as saffron. Give it a stir. I'm going to add my garlic cloves. That's about 4 cloves. I love garlic. This is going to boil probably for about 25 minutes. But if I put it in my pressure cooker, maybe 5 minutes. But I have time, so I'm just going to let it cook slowly. So here's my dal. It's been boiling for about 18 minutes. The dal is finished boiling. See? It's nice and melted. So now I can use my immersion blender or regular blender. If you have your dal stick, you can blend it up. Honestly, I don't want to plug in the immersion blender. So I'm just going to use my super stick. Yeah, I have a super stick. So now you hold it like this. Yes, so I'm trying to do this with one hand. So I'll put the phone down and I'll be back. I just used my swizzle stick to swizzle the dal. It's nice and smooth now. Oh, I love the swizzle stick. I haven't used a swizzle stick in many, many years. I got this one in Trinidad, maybe about a year ago, or less. Normally you will hold it with both hands and you will swizzle it like this motion. But I'm holding the camera in one, so it's difficult to show you. Well, that's all you hold it. You don't have to add curry in your dal, but they requested that I put curry, but you normally don't really have to put curry if you don't want to. So that's some curry. I love garam masala in every damn thing. Well, not everything. And add some salt. Yeah, 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. I'm going to add the cumin seeds in there with you. I have my garlic and my cumin seeds in there. I'm going to Chunkay the dal. So I just dropped my garlic and my cumin seeds in there. The one that I roasted, burned in the oil. So this is called chunking the dal. So with that now, take the cover. There you have it. My chicken, my dal, my rice.